Hello everyone, we are going to show the saved notes section in the invoices. From here, every time in the invoice I have to write my note, but in case I am using one note every time during adding the invoice, that's why we add this section. From here, choose saved note to add into up notes text input or text box. From here I just choose the note, it will come directly and append it to the notes text box. Also I have to add multiple notes into my remarks or notes. In case I want to add one more note to my saved list, it will come from here by clicking on plus icon, manage notes names for the selection in the future. Once I click in the add icon, it will opening the my notes list. From here I can manage add or edit or delete my note. For example, I can add one note. Okay, in the invoice I will just choose it in the invoice. If I return back to the notes list, I have to remove this option. It will remove from the list, and also it will be hide from the saved notes list.